ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hello, this is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 7th day of May. Looks like might be a stormy day here tomorrow. Let's go to some Skycam shots early this morning. We'll begin with a look at the view from Birmingham, looking north from the Daniel Building. The sky mostly cloudy. Tuscaloosa looking down below in the Hugh Thomas Bridge connecting Tuscaloosa and Northport. And down in Demopolis, hey, got a barge and a tug coming through the Tom Bigby early this morning, about 5 o'clock. Well, there's our upper-level trough moving through New Mexico and the western tip of Texas. The actual lowest heights seem to be sitting there at El Paso. And that obviously is the concern for tomorrow. Now, in advance of that, look at that. Little light rain. In the words of J.B. Elliott, the great Alabama weather legend, illegal showers over the Tennessee Valley, moving through Morgan and Limestone counties. That'll scoot out in a hurry this morning and will not affect most folks in our television market, but a few raindrops up in the valley. But today will not be a rainy day. In fact, today should be a warm, breezy, dry day for the most part. All of the action to the west, a slight risk of severe weather through a large chunk of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, North Louisiana, South Missouri, and the southern tip of Illinois. That would include places like Dallas, Little Rock, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Shreveport. And then tomorrow we've got a slight risk over a large chunk of Alabama, a little sliver of Mississippi, then on east into Georgia and the Carolinas. And then we note now we've got a day 4 prog here for severe weather. That's Saturday. Day 4 is Saturday to the northwest of here, and we wonder if we might have a risk on day 5, which is Sunday. There's no formal risk area now, but we'll watch that as we go. Here's the QPF map, the expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday evening. So this counts the rain tomorrow and the rain Sunday. And those numbers look pretty good. That's suggesting some amounts over 2 inches over the Tennessee Valley and 1 to 2 inches around here, and the amount tapers off as you go down south. Here's the modeling. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. There's your trough to the west in western Texas at the surface low near Childress. And again, you can see why there's some concern for severe weather off to the west. We will have a dry day here. Tomorrow, the trough moves on through. It is in a weakening phase, but having said that, the surface low is in a favorable position for severe weather, 1,000 millibars near Memphis. And again, the standard parameters look good. This is the surface-based Cape. The numbers are up to about 1,500 joules tomorrow afternoon. And the helicity value is very high, somewhat concerning to see that. This is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, the highest shear running there from near Montgomery up to Chattanooga, but that will be progressing through during the afternoon. So all modes of severe weather will be possible, and we'll sure watch that. Friday, the system lifts on out, should be a dry day, a warm day, well up in the 80s, maybe the warmest day so far this year. Same thing Saturday, and again, you can see a little sliver of green. We've mentioned isolated showers. I don't think we'll see much more beyond that, so just keep in mind, a shower not totally out of the question Saturday, but not very likely. And then Sunday, here comes the next trough, and the latest runs have trended farther north with this thing. Kind of shunted north by that ridge in the Gulf, and no doubt we'll mention a good chance of showers and storms on Sunday, but perhaps the dynamic forcing will be better to the north, lessening any chance of severe weather. But let's get past through the event tomorrow, then we can focus on Sunday. And then Monday, that features on by, that looks dry. Tuesday of next week looks dry. And Wednesday, here comes the next trough. Looks pretty dynamic there, and that suggests wet and stormy weather Wednesday of next week. And then on Thursday of next week, that system is on by. And just a peek at the end of next week, look at the trough developing over the eastern half of the nation. A vortex swings through here, maybe some clouds and a bit of light rain. So if this is right, temperatures out there at the end of next week will be considerably below average for mid-May. And at the end of the cycle on May 22nd, hey, they're beginning to look like summer, huh? Westerly shifting north. Old moisture around here, scattered afternoon showers and storms. That's a series of words you'll hear often for the next 3 months. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.